Hello guys. So I had originally planned to do a recording of um, I forgot what it was, use substitution in the next, in this next video, but I wanted to do a kind of a problem using integration by power rule. And I will go over more examples in this video. I had originally said I was going to go over a few of them, but honestly, it just takes me a while to edit these and upload them. So I am doing this very quick video to, integrating a polynomial function um, by power rules. So I do hope it helps, guys. I do apologize, if there's a mix-up, but I will post more videos soon over use substitution as well as more over power rule of integration and anything else that you guys want me to post. But with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy and I hope y'all find this helpful. Bye, guys. Alright, so hi guys. So in this video, I wanted to go ahead and show y'all the power rule of integration. So I just wanted to go over this for those of you that are barely doing integration or you're learning power rule, because this is one of those that we have to use a lot of the time when we're integrating a lot of problems with integration. So this is kind of the introduction to that. And so I am going to do maybe about, I want to say maybe 4 problems of these, just to kind of show y'all how to do them and to show y'all how these work. So let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the following. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so this first one, I'm gonna go ahead and first show y'all what the power rule says, the power rule of integration. So we want to say that the integral of, let's say, and let's say it's of the form x raised to some power n. It's going to be x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. So here we have this, and this is such, and then it's plus a constant of integration c such that n does not equal -1. That is because we can't have a negative in the a -1 in the denominator, because it would be 0 and that's undefined, right? Okay guys, so this is the power rule of integration. I'm just gonna okay, so like I said, n does not equal -1. So in this problem, we have the integral, and I'm just going to write it down very quickly. Now, polynomial integrals are one of the easiest types. You just have to really understand as long as you remember this rule, you're good to go. This is like one of the most basic types of integrals. This is going to be the integral of x cubed dx minus 3 integral of x squared dx plus 2 integral of x dx minus the integral of 1 dx. Okay, remember the constant rule, c times the integral of some function f of x, or the integral of c times some function f of x. I did go over it in the last video, but I'll still do it. Is really c integral of f of x dx. So you're just taking the constant out. That's why I did that. And so here, using the power property, or the power rule, we're gonna say that this is gonna be x to the 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 minus 3, and then we're gonna do x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So I'm just using this rule here, guys, or this rule here for the power rule of integration, and then plus 2 times x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus the integral of 1 or any number, you're just going to say that, you know, for example, if we had the integral of 2 dx, this would be 2x. If we had the integral of 3 dx, it'd be 3x. Since it's just 1 here, it would just be x, because it's 1x. So that is really all I'm going to say about that. If y'all have more questions about it, you can ask me, but I don't want to go in too much into it because I don't want to confuse anybody. Okay, so then we're just going to simplify this. X to the 4th over 4 minus 3x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 2 minus x plus the constant of integration c. And then here we're just going to do, so then we're just going to simplify it a little more. X to the 4th over 4 minus x cubed plus x squared minus x plus our constant of integration c. You always have to add this, guys. It is very necessary to do that when you're talking about indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals just means that you don't have an upper and lower bound. So then we can just say that the integral of x cubed minus 3x squared, so thus the integral of x cubed minus 3x squared, and it was plus 2x minus 1 dx is equal to x to the 4th over 4 minus x cubed plus x squared minus x plus our constant of integration c. And so this would be our answer for this problem. So that is going to be the first example, guys. I would do another one, but I don't want to make the video way too long. But if anybody has any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching. And please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.